Hi there everyone, Charlie Young back again, here with a review on Thomas Wind Up Rheneas. Yep, another Rheneas from my collection. Now, let's just take a look at the back of the box. On the back it shows you other Thomas Wind Up toys you can get, and it looks like you can get Thomas, Percy, James, Bill, Ben, Lady, Diesel 10, Rheneas, Scarloey, Duncan, Toby, Edward, Salty, Elizabeth, Annie and Clarabelle, Gordon, Spencer, Murdoch, Emily and Harvey. Boy, I'd like to collect all those one time. So let's just unbox this dude, which is probably going to be hard. That was easy. That was just plain easy. I thought it was going to be hard, but nope. As easy as slicing a cake. As easy as slicing a cake. So let's just look in the back. Let's look in the back first. In the back it says 2005 Glen Thomas Limited. Don't know if you can see that. The side, really cool. Face, that is just an adorable little Rheneas face. The side, top, and underneath. Now hold on and let me just wind this thing up, because that's what they're all about, winding them up and watching them pass the camera. Whoa, Rheneas is actually a pretty fast little runner. This Rheneas is actually a pretty fast runner. Now, one thing I like to do with the wind-up toys is one of my favorite things to do with the wind-up toys is I just grab onto the wind-up mechanism, I spin the train around to wind them up, and then I do this. Not sure if you can see that. I'll turn Rheneas on the other side so you can see better. Yep, Rheneas is doing a flip. Everybody do the flop. Up. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my quick review on this Wind Up Rheneas, and stay tuned for more videos to come in the future. This is Charlie Young signing out.